Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both host and guest. Install the host GPU drivers and the Virtualbox extension pack that matches your Virtualbox version. Once done, enable VTX or AMD in BIOS and allocate at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM to the VM. This ensures interrupts and scheduling behave well. Make sure the guest editions will be installed later. And note why. Without extension features and proper hardware virtualization, GPU pass-through techniques won't work. You now configure PCI pass-through. Enable VTD or IMU in host kernel, then identify the GPU's PCI ID with LSPCI or device manager. Once identified, stop the host display server to free the GPU and bind the GPU to vFIO PCI or the appropriate pass-through driver so the host won't claim it. Next, add the PCI device to the VM with VBox Manage or by editing the VBox file and adjust I/O APIC and chipset settings. This directs the physical GPU into the VM for exclusive use. You finish by booting the VM, use UEFI for better device initialization, and install the guest GPU drivers just like on a physical machine. Once booted, verify the GPU shows in Device Manager or LSPCI inside the VM, and run a lightweight GPU workload to confirm rendering or compute functions. If things go wrong, check IMU grouping and BIOS VTD/IMU settings. Ensure the extension pack version matches Virtualbox and rebind drivers. This troubleshooting step solves most pass-through failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.